In this episode, we leave St. Ignace, enter Lake Michigan as we pass underneath the Mackinac Bridge, and travel to our next stop at the town of Petoskey in Little Traverse Bay. We then go to Charlevoix, where we'll take care of some annual boat maintenance. We also take a road trip on the Highway of Trees and visit the fishing village of Leland.
Hi there, I'm Tom.
I'm Jen.
And we're the crew of Soulmate, a 2005 main ship 400, and we're doing America's Great Loop.
On this day, we travel 48.7 nautical miles from St. Ignace to Little Traverse Bay and the city of Petosky.
We are leaving St. Ignace and headed to Petosky.
Okay, leaving St. Ignace. We've been here since last Thursday, I believe, and today's Tuesday. Winds have finally calmed down, and it looks like we are going to have a beautiful cruise today, and we are headed to Petosky. It's gonna be a long day. I think we got roughly 50 miles, so it should take about 7.5 hours, but not bad, and it's nice and cool out.
We are in the Straits of Mackinac. Here in a little bit, we will make a turn to our starboard to the right, and we should see the bridge. It's about 5 miles from here to the bridge. We'll go underneath that, so another highlight of our trip. We'll go a little bit past the bridge, still in the Straits, and then we will turn left or to port, going south as we head around a couple of reefs and a pass or channel as we go to Petosky today. 51 miles roughly, 7 hours, give or take a little bit. A long day, but if the water stays like it is now, it will be a great passage. We are about ready to turn the corner, and we shall see the famous bridge. I believe it is the longest suspension bridge in North America.
Well done, Michigan. We are heading underneath the Mighty Mac. There she is, going across. It's a beautiful day out, and the Mighty Mac, pretty awesome.
We are about halfway. We have made it past the Vienna Shoals, and we are now headed south. About another 24 miles to go. Five miles to Petosky through the fog bank. The buildings you see on the far side, that is the other side of Little Traverse Bay. Cut across the bay, tuck into the marina, and have a good evening seeing the town of Petosky. Petosky straight ahead. Part of Michigan's a lot hillier than I expected, I guess. Beautiful sand beaches. can't wait to do a little exploring.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young.
Today we go from Petoskey to Charlevoix and travel 17.1 miles.
Leaving Petosky. Got a pump out, 16 miles, going to Charlevoix, and we will go to Irish boat shops where we'll get hauled out tomorrow. Little Traverse Bay is beautifully flat. We'll get back out in Lake Michigan here, about 7 or 8 miles up the ways, and it should be pretty flat out there too. So, had a good, less than 24-hour visit to Petosky, cute little town, and on to Charlevoix, next stop on the Great Lakes Tour. We are in the little bay in front of Charlevoix. We have to go through a narrow inlet, wait for a bridge opening, which we'll see here in a couple minutes, about 20 minutes. And then we will be in, I think it's Lake Charlevoix. We will proceed to Irish boat shops. Gotten through the bridge and we are in Charlevoix. It is quite unique, I will say. I've not seen anything like this before. Homes, great big boat garages.
Condos everywhere.
Condos, yeah, it's kind of interesting. One more little cut we need to get through, and that will take us into, I believe, Lake Charlevoix. This is Round Lake we're in, this little one. Go to Lake Charlevoix. And then about a mile or so, and we will be at our marina. Coast Guard station to the left, the lake in front of us, and we'll be through hopefully the craziness.
We wanted to get some yearly out-of-the-water maintenance performed on the boat, and Irish Boat Shops was able to fit us in. We go to Traverse City to catch a flight home, but we do have a few hours to see some of the town before we leave.
Downtown Traverse City. Didn't think we'd be here, but
Nope.
we are. Lake Charlevoix. Labor Day weekend. Everyone enjoying themselves. It's Saturday. Weather's nice today. Not gonna be so good tomorrow. There's Summit down there at the end. We'll be here for another day and a half. Leave out Monday to continue down Lake Michigan.
we decided to take a road trip down the Tunnel of Trees, Highway 119 in northern Michigan.
We are going down the Tunnel of Trees here in Michigan in Harbor Springs. It's so pretty.
In the next episode, we leave Charlevoix and head to the town of Frankfort, where we spend time with other loopers while we wait out bad weather and big waves.